Hey everybody, welcome back. And I know this is a weird start to a video. I'm in my room right now. This is my editing desk. But today we have a review slash hiking video. Cause today's the first day it's snowing, so just to get a taste of the cold, we're gonna go out onto the deep woods trail and walk around a bit, see what we can find. But also, this is mainly a review for a smartwatch. Now this smartwatch is actually an outdoor smartwatch, so it has GPS on it. You can pull up on the screen, you can pull up you know, different apps, you can see the temperature, you can see your heart rate, you can see everything like that. So this is the box. They emailed me and said they'd send me one for review, so I'm gonna review it for them, and we're gonna see how it is in the actual outdoors. So we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna try to keep this part of the video very short for you guys, and then we can get out there and see what we can find. But really shiny. It's Casio Pro Trek, and if you guys don't know what Casio is, it's the watch brand. I've had quite a few Casio watches, and once you open that part, that's what it looks like in there. See that there? Shows the battery, your heart rate, and it shows about it. So this is the 21H version. So I don't know how this is boxed. We're just gonna open it up. I've never had a smartwatch ever, because I thought the Apple ones maybe were just, you know, not really worth it. But this here, it's an outdoor watch and it has GPS on it. So I think this is, we'll just have to see if it's, you know, a pretty good watch. It is a $500 watch, just letting you guys know that now. But definitely, I'm gonna see how it is. So you get all your manuals and your power cord to charge it. You have to charge it. I don't know exactly what the battery charge is, so I'll have to tell you that off camera. And yeah, it comes with the watch manuals and a charger. So that's what it comes with. You got a nice little charging cord. And I would have did this in the woods, but I wanted to make sure I had it all set up before I went out there. So we're gonna take it straight out of this bag. It's not too heavy, and it's got a nice band on it that probably won't get ruined from water and everything. I got a knife handy with me today too. Usually I don't have a knife, as you guys would know by now. But so I undid that, and there is the watch you got here. Looks really nice. It's a nice red color on the outside. Like I said though, I'm gonna give completely honest opinion on this. I didn't pay for this, but I give only honest reviews on items. So like I said, it's got a nice design. It's got a nice band on it. Nice coloring. It says the map and everything on it. Global positioning system, GPS. Then it says Pro Trek on the top. So this is their line of Pro Trek watches. I just took the screen cover off, and that's what it looks like not turned on. Looks like a fish eyeball. But we are going to turn on. Oh, and also down here, there's the sensor for the heart rate and stuff. So now, I don't even know how to turn it on. Obviously, it's probably just a simple push button. So, I'm just going to hold that. And I think that did the trick. It's turning on. I know the autofocus on this camera is not the best, but it's turning on. So once it loads in, it's probably doing this because it's brand new. I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so if you can see on there, it's been doing loading here. I think it's just starting up since it is a brand new watch, never used. So you can see it's got those little dots and they're going around. So whenever it's actually loaded and everything is, you know, updated or whatever, I will get back to you. So, oh, it's just the startup screen now. So, I know it's very glary. I'm just going to have to tell you what it says. Out in the woods, it shouldn't be too glary if I have the camera held in my hand. Oh, it's showing all the whatever country you're in. So I'm going to set that up, the country, and simple date and time, and then I'll get back to you. It's just a regular setup on the watch. Okay guys, so I'm doing the setup, and it's at 99% downloaded. You have to download Wear OS by Google. To anyone that would want to get the watch, you know, it'll just tell you what to do. But I wanted to show something really quick, so we can get out on the trail with this. is the charger. It's not just a simple USB. It's got this really cool, like, magnetic quick lock-in, like, charger. So I thought that was really cool. But we're just doing setup here. So I'm opening this, and I gotta connect it. So as soon as I get it connected, like I said, I mainly just popped in to show you the charger because I thought that was super cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do the setup so I don't waste your time, and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so I just got back from a little shopping trip, and right here is the watch. I have it on my hand. I installed everything that needed to be installed on it, and I've been trying it out since I've been gone. I pulled up the map, which you simply just click this. It takes a second to load, but then you can see your map. You can scroll through the map and everything on the GPS, and the battery's not too bad. With, you know, when the screen's off and it just shows like the clock on it instead of everything else, it doesn't drain battery as much. But so far the battery's not that bad at all. It's only drained like 12% battery, and it's been on for like an hour and a half. So I know you can't see much, but we're gonna talk about it more out in the woods so we can get to our hike. But definitely the really cool feature is, like, it's pretty much a Fitbit built into this whole entire thing, you know, on top of what it already has. And it counted my steps, 480 steps. This is when I was gone. 268 calories, and I got 5 heart points. So, yeah, pretty much a Fitbit, GPS, a way you can ask Google for whatever. And there's multiple other things, but like I said, I'm brand new to this watch. So we're going to go ahead and get out to the woods for the hiking part of the video, and I'll talk more about the watch, and we can see if we can find any unique things out in the woods. So let's go for a hike. Okay guys, so we are at a trail. See, we got the watch on right here. See the time on it? Right there. And yeah, it's a really nice watch so far. Want to give it a little bit of a test before, you know, I say it's completely an awesome watch, but I'm going to talk quiet. And I got my Blaze Orange on because this is like a game lands, but it is owned by an Amish man that I'm allowed back here on. But just in case someone's hunting down there, I'm gonna park right here by the road. You can see the road right there, and I'm gonna walk down. So we're only gonna walk a little bit. You know, I don't want to bother any hunters if they're down here, so we're just gonna walk. And you can see here, there's my fancy little watch. Here we go. It's having a hard time focusing because it is a very shiny object. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to start a walking thing on here and see how well it does with the heart rate and everything. Okay guys, so we're going to start walking. What I actually did is, you can't see it that well, but I started a thing. All you see is the time, but I started a recording of it showing wherever I walk. So this will show when I get home on my cell phone, wherever I walked on the map. So that'd be super cool. So we're gonna start walking. Just enjoy it out here. It's not focusing too well. Like I said though, I gotta be quiet. Oh. Sorry guys, I didn't want to focus there. But I am going to be quiet. And let's just enjoy this nice walk. So, look how nice. Soon I'll be camping out here. Whew, so nice. Like I said, I got this on. Got that. It fits really nice there actually. Very nice. So we're just going to walk around. See if I can find anything cool. Looking for seashell fossils. That would tell if this was an ocean a while ago. Smells so nice. If you guys know what fall leaves smell like, you know exactly what this would smell like right now. But look at that. Huge pile of moss. There's ferns in it. What the? I didn't even notice that. You guys can't really tell, but that whole pile, there's a mound there. It's just covered in moss. So there's got to be something laying there. If I see a squirrel, I'll let you guys know. Hopefully this audio is pretty crisp, because my mouth's on the microphone. But I'm gonna walk on the right side, so if I see someone, I can turn around. Okay. So there is someone down there, so I'm gonna walk, but I'm gonna walk back up, and we'll hike by the bird feeders. But I thought I'd bring you out here to show you how the leaves changed. And yeah, I'll talk to you more in a minute. Okay guys, so sorry for this really weird cut in before you see the next part. But I forgot to put this at the end. And this was the map. Let me touch screen. This was the map that showed our travel. I'll tell you what happened in a second here, but there's our travel. It was 1.1 mile total. There was, what was that? Top? I think that was top speed probably. It was 15 minutes long. Oh, our top speed was 25 miles an hour. So that was obviously the driving. But if you can see right here at like the top part of the L on the right side, that right there shows the that shows where we like kind of dipped into the woods and we dipped back out. So the tracking did work pretty good. Sorry for this weird focus, but yeah, on to the next part. Sorry for that. Okay everybody, so I'm on my four-wheeler. It's good I was whispering because there's someone actually back there, and that I just want that to be a lesson to anyone out there that trail rides or anything during hunting season, and that's to always, you know, you got to think someone's there. So there was someone there. They were halfway down, so that's why I got really quiet and then shut the camera off. I didn't want to spook deer or anything, so I turned around and I walked back. So let that be a lesson. If I would have not have thought, and I would have just went down through there on the four-wheeler or something, or went down and parked or anything, or I talked really loud, it would have scared the deer away. So that's just a quick little lesson. We're gonna walk around the yard a little bit here, don't worry. But yeah, I just wanted to say that's a good lesson to always, like, whenever it's hunting season, obviously when it's not hunting season and there's people hunting, then you can rip your four-wheeler through. But during hunting season, always take the precautions, because you don't want to ruin someone's hunt, because right now is a prime time of the day that you could get some deer. So yeah, we're gonna walk around a little bit here, just for a little bit, because I know this video is getting pretty lengthy. But to make up for the missed footage, really, of that there, we'll do this. But just letting you guys know, it's still recording. It says the top speed was 25 miles an hour. That's when I was driving my four-wheeler, guys, obviously. But it's been 9 minutes, so yeah. Watch is doing pretty good. I'll talk about the watch as I'm walking around. The camera's a little buggy today because it's cold out, so it doesn't like to focus for a minute there. But yeah, this is a nice hiking day if you have good clothes, because if I had my clothes I had like a month ago, yeah, wouldn't be too good. So I did a fire earlier. That's going to be a video. I went and put it out, and that's a good challenge video. I don't know when you guys will see that, but ooh, here we go. Birds. Here we go. We found something. See him? See him there? Right there? See him? He's kind of blended in a little bit. He's wiping his beak. So, we'll only be a little bit more here. I just really wanted to get a feel for this watch, and if it can really handle this cold. It's about 30 degrees out right now, so if this watch stays good while I'm out here hiking, should be fine. Yeah, wish I could have did. There's really no spots to hike in my yard here, sadly. That is our property, at least. You know, I can't even go past there, so I'll walk around a little bit more, but whew, it's so cold out, guys. Wow. And in like a video in a week or so, I'll let you guys know how the watch is doing, just to make sure, you know, it doesn't break or anything. But yeah, I only give honest reviews. I would say the mapping on this, I'd give it like a it's good. It's very good mapping, but it's hard to score it because it does take a minute to buffer. It doesn't like pop up instantly. So that is a little downfall, but nonetheless it's still pretty good for how detailed the map is when it comes up. Battery life's pretty good. I've had the screen on pretty much the whole time. And screen's doing pretty good. or not screen, the battery. But it is really doing good, because I know I read reviews on the one version before, and a lot of people said it had bad battery, but this is the new one, so I think they really fixed that this time. But this is an item I wouldn't have bought, honestly. I don't like spending like a ton of money on stupid stuff. This isn't stupid, believe me, but you know, it's a $500 watch, so you know, after wearing this, I think it's a pretty good deal. And I'd say that if you were a hunter all the time and you don't have one of those, you know, like really fancy like GPS tracker things, or like a GPS map tablet, I'd say it's a good deal. And this has everything included with it, you know, everything on it. So pretty much anything the Google like Fit has is on this thing. So it also takes notifications. But yeah, this is more of a review video than like hiking, so I won't really emphasize that in the title. But I just can't believe how cold it is. You know, it does suck there was a hunter out back, but I saw him back there, and it's all Amish around here. It was an Amish tractor back there, so that is just a lesson included in this hiking / review video for a watch. But yeah, it's the Casio 21H Pro Trek, and I think it's a pretty good watch all in all. So if you want to read up more, there's a link to it down below. Like I said, they sent it to me for free to review it for you guys. See if you guys would be interested. And honestly, I'm pretty impressed with it. I think they mainly aim for the durability on this one too, because the wristband on here is super thick and strong, and the case is, I think, the G-Shock case. So yeah, pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video off here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know this is just kind of a weird video to add in, but yeah, like I said, I wanted to review this because it was pretty interesting. I get a lot of business emails, and I really don't accept them often, because if it's something that I don't believe in or I won't use, I won't review it. So, you know, like I said, I really do not accept business requests that are stuff I wouldn't use. So I did accept this one, because it's a very cool thing that I'll probably use. So I'm sure you'll see this in a lot of videos. And yeah, link below for it. And if you guys like the video, go ahead and comment. If you didn't like the video, go ahead and dislike. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry for the weird video. I know I'm rambling and my speech is messed up, and that's because my brain is literally frozen. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.